videotaped an entire video for you this morning and showed you how to do the bullion stitch, and it disappeared. I either threw it away accidentally or it never recorded in the first place, and I'm not sure which. However, I have 3 Advent ornaments left, so I will have to find a way to redo a bullion stitch for you. In the meantime, I'll give you a little bit of road footage. It's not really exciting right now because it's pitch black and foggy and rainy off and on. And we've gone well beyond Christmas lights, but if I happen to see some, I'll give you a little shot of those. But tonight, it's just going to be me showing you the 2 Christmas ornaments I made today that I finished after I set it up this morning. And you'll see what bullion looks like. Plus, I did a snowman one, which already showed you stitches that you've already done. But we're on the road. As is our norm, we never manage to get out of the house before 2 o'clock. And again, that's how we've managed to roll it today. So we're going to hit Medford about 11, if we're lucky, and spend the night. And then we take off the next day to Red Bluff to stay with Nicole. Nicole is going all the way from Portland to Red Bluff in one day. That's too much for us because we can't leave the town till 2 o'clock. So we don't get up early and we don't get moving fast. It's just not our way. I had planned on, like I say, and I'm not sure if you're going to get that whole video, so maybe I'll just be quiet right now. I was going to ask you a question, but I forgot what it was. Oh, what do you do on road trips? Are there any good books on tapes or audio books that you listen to? Because we need to find an audio book. Toot sweet. We got 3 more days of driving, and I need to find a good audio book. So give us recommendations. We don't have one right now. We've been listening to Science Friday, because we have that as a podcast. But we need a book. We need a good book. Yeah, and that's about it. I will definitely give you more road footage, and we'll probably stop and go into an antique store, maybe, if we get enough time tomorrow, or something. But I'll show you something tomorrow, and maybe that bullion stitch. All right, it's late, and well, it's actually not that late. It feels late because I'm in the car and it's dark. It's 9:06, and we have been driving for a few hours now, and I just finished Santa and the snowman. And the snowman. And yet again, I did the back upside down because that's my habit. But they're ready to go on the tree. I had planned on bringing, I'm dropping stuff here. I had planned on bringing our tinsel Christmas tree, our silver Christmas tree, and bolting it in the back seat so that we would have it along the way. Only we have too much stuff in the back. So we did clear out a little bit, but it was just too much, and we were very tired. So instead, I'm going to flip it around. I brought our Advent tree, and we're going to hang it on the tree that I have hung from my visor. And then, when we get there, I'll hang it up in the park model. But for now, it's going to be on a visor when I do these videos. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can get far enough. There we go. Oh, there's the tree. I might have to, here. Can you see the tree? Oh no, this might be hard. Here's the tree hanging from the visor right in my lap. It's going to be a very difficult thing, but we are going to hang it. First, the Santa Claus is going to get hung up. Santa Claus is going to get hung up right here. There's Santa. And can you turn on the car light? Let's see if that helps us a bit. Oh, that didn't help at all. And snowman goes right here. The snowman has some extra stuff. Well, oh, there we go. We have a lighting expert who's helping us out here. And then snowman is going right here. This is going to be a tight squeeze for all 12 of these. And it's even harder to hold my phone and do this when it's not against a wall. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. On a button. Let's see if I can manage to pull this off. There we go. There we are. I'm gonna try and zoom it back for you. There we go. There is the collection. We are up to 9, 10, 11, 12. Just 3 to go. And I do know tomorrow will be a twofer because there was nothing new to show you. No new stitches for Snowman. And there will be, I have a second one that's actually almost done because there's no new stitches. And there's Santa with his textury beard. These are pretty cool, actually. These are really fun to do, but did take a lot of yarn. Bunny, horse, snowflake that's beaded. More beading on that snowflake. Owl. And the first one, the poinsettia. Okay, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna hit Medford. I'll show you some scenery tomorrow. Hopefully something good. Oh yeah, we're losing our light. He has to eat another piece of jerky. Tomorrow I'll show you some scenery from our drive. Tomorrow is Red Bluff. That's it for me tonight. Yeah. Footage. It's a sad, sad state of affairs, but I gotta give you something. It's Advent. Bye.